Welcome back, everybody, to another fun gear review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Pathfinder Stainless Steel Canteen Cooking Set 2023 Upgraded Edition from Self-Reliance Outfitters, Dave Canterbury's store. You know, every time I think I'm going to hold on to my money, Dave comes out with something and he pulls me right back in. I swear. It's an evil conspiracy. Alright, regular price on this set is $44.99, and I'm going to give you a look here at the box real quick. There's a couple changes that has happened to this one. And that is why I decided to pick one up. There's the UPC. Whoops. Let me turn that around for you, should you desire that. Alright, let's get it out of here and we'll go over some specs. One of the first videos I did a long time ago when I started reviewing gear was the original Canteen Cookset. And if you go back and watch that video, I will link it at the end of this one, you will see that he gave you a carrier with that old set, and the carrier was trash. Alright, I'm not even going to be nice about it. It was garbage. If you want a good carrier, you need to get the USGI carrier like this one. Okay? That's what you need. Alright? That was one of the changes on this 2023 upgrade. The other one are these D-rings right here on this handle, and that's so you can put a stick, carve a stick out, so you have a long handle as shown here to put it in and out of a fire. Pretty cool. Other than that, everything appears to be the same. Same silicone gasket, same canteen, same stove stand. Alright, let's get into some specs here. 304 grade stainless steel, everything. It's a 39 ounce wide mouth canteen, that's 1.15 liters. You got this nesting stove stand. And you got a 25 ounce nesting cup that's 0.73 liters. There are graduations inside the cup right there. Very nice. We got strain holes right there, so if you hold on to this with gloves and tip, you can strain to do noodles, rice, stuff like that. And if you already own the canteen kit, I own two of them. I wanted a third one for my other bag. I find these canteens to be so freaking useful. If you just want to get the upgraded cup, he sells the upgraded cup with these D-rings and the stove stand for $24.95 on his website. There'll be links in the description. So, I'm not going to do any boil test or anything like that. I am, however, going to do two things here. First one is these slides. They always come from the factory. They're not bent enough, okay? And you can take a needle nose pair of pliers, multiplier, and just tweak this and tweak these right here, bend this back to where when this locks in here, that if you do this, that ain't gonna happen. Okay? And we're gonna take it outside and we're gonna carve a stick to put in here, fill it with water, and see how it works out. Okay? I got my multiplier. Let's give that a small tweak forward. And this one here, a small tweak forward. Heck, that might be enough right there. Look at that. Not even couple minutes and we got that. Yeah. Oh man, you gotta really shake that to pop that out. So I think that's good enough for my use. One other thing about the canteen cup, these canteen cups of his I really like, is the 3 points of contact. The bottom of the handle here and the main cup itself. So even when this is not full of liquid, it's not tippy. You understand what I'm saying? Another thing I wanted to point out about these cups, the lid does not fit tight from the factory. There is a quick fix for that. Just take it, gently deform or squeeze this part right here. And look at that. That increased its holding quite a bit. You want to do this incrementally. You don't want to go crazy. Okay, that's a lot better, and the canteen still fits without buckling in there. Let me give that one last squeeze. All right, let's see how that works. A lot better. Okay, and we're good. All right, let's head outside and let's do a handle for this. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. I think that'll work just fine. All right. I think, yeah, look at that. So it's going to hold the lid and everything. Let's get over to the fire pit and see how this will work. All right, I have quite a bit of water in there, about close to 600 mil or 20 ounces. And as you can see, if we had a fire going, we could get that up there in the fire. And we have a nice long handle. Look at that. Didn't take very long to make it either. So we put it in the fire, take it out of the fire, put it in the fire, take it out of the fire, and it is, as you can see, full of a lot of water. Alright, let's head back in the house. Well, you got to see how this new updated 2023 version of the Pathfinder stainless steel canteen cooking set works out. I'm going to probably modify this stove stand like I did on my others. If you guys want a MyOG on that, let me know. I haven't got around to doing this yet, but it's on my list of things to do. But that's it. I thought you might find it interesting. I like the fact that he's going to be just selling this part separately, so you don't have to buy the whole canteen set to get this updated cup design. So buy it, don't buy it, links in the description, and everybody have a great day.